Kuri no hotekeku sekta ya urimi yahota kwiyukiria thutha wa ngwataniro ya urimi niyo Kenya National Farmers Federation guthondeka manifesto ya maundu maria mangienda makinyanirio ni atongoria aria marahuranira giturwa kia upresident. Manifesto eno itariirie mitaratara iria ibatie kwarirwo niguo gukiria sekta ya urimi kuona ni kimwe gia itu iria inyitagirira bururi. Arugamirirĩa ngwataniro eno makiuga urimi ni ukoretwo utiganiirio kwa ihinda iraya undu uria ucangiire unyihu wa irio guku bururi-ini.
Need the governments to designate the country's food and feed nutrition as a national security matter. The government needs to support establishment of a national farmers database aggregated into value chains and wards and are connected to a solid food agri-food system.
Muikariri giti wa ngwataniro eno ruhonge rwa Naikuru Luke Kesei augite Kenya iri no hoti wa gukuria irio ingiigana bururi no undu uyu nduri wakinyanira. Akiuga a Kenya matanyihiire milioni 14.5 matikoretwo makiona irio cia kuigana.
About 4% of Kenya's land is arable. So, for that matter, for water division counties that is almost entirely dependent on rain-fed agriculture, this is a stinking embarrassment. The National Irrigation Board should be capitalized enough to be able to handle this.
Kesei augite niguo gukiria sekta ya urimi no nginyagia atongoria othe makuruhanio kuona nio mathondekaga na gutigirira mawatho maya ni makinyanirio.
When other countries are spending 50% of their budgets on agriculture, ours are spending 4%, 3%, 2%. Nobody has gone beyond 6%. And this is against all the rules of nature when it comes to supporting farmers. So if that one doesn't happen, then the farmer becomes a slave to the rest of the economy.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.